Well, welcome back to Ozark Adventures and Reviews. Today I have a video that is actually out in the backcountry, but I forgot to do an intro on it. So therefore I'm going to do an intro in the house, and then I'm going to take you out to the backcountry. I had a subscriber ask me to make videos about how to cook in the backcountry other than some dehydrated meals. So we're going to start with this Devour Meal. It is mac and cheese with bacon. This comes with 380 calories, 13 grams of fat, 15 grams of protein, and 50 grams of carbohydrates. Now this is a perfect meal to bring out with you. It's got your fats, it's got your proteins, and it's got your carbohydrates to keep you going through the day. Now I don't carry that big thing with me for a couple reasons. Extra weight, and it's just too bulky. So I break it down into a little Ziploc bag like this. This weighs 4.2 ounces, has everything you need to make mac and cheese. And if you stick with me on this episode, I'll show you how to do it in the backcountry.
For breakfast today, believe it or not, we're going to have mac and cheese. And not that dehydrated mac and cheese either. This is mac and cheese we're going to have to boil the water. And then at the end, I do have something great to put on top. I have some bacon. That's right. Bacon, mac and cheese in the backcountry. I've already got my water in there. Let's go ahead and get that boiling. Alright, now the water's just about ready to boil. Let's go ahead and get our noodles put in there. Give them a little stir so they don't stick. Alright, now that the noodles have started to boil here, I have taken out the seasoning packet, put it in my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and get some of that starch water, kind of get that dissolved, so that'll be ready to go while I wait for these noodles to cook. Okay, I'm going to drain off some of this water. Now that we've got the noodles drained off, it's time for this cheese packet. Now, after you got the cheese melted, go ahead and dump in your bacon bits. Stir them around in there. And there you have it. Creamy mac and cheese with bacon in the backcountry.